about a year ago, and it is a keyboard for your iPad. And if you are somebody who uses your iPad like a computer and hates typing on the screen, this would be like my most recommended thing for people in school. Like, if you work and you have to use a lot of different devices, it's even kind of good for dual screen. I would recommend this product. Now, it has a pencil holder. I do have a pencil, but also it's got a wonderful keyboard that acts just like a MacBook would. It is Bluetooth operated, so this is the power button, and whenever it's on, I will turn it on and off for you. You see how it flashes? That's how it's turned off, and then it flashes again whenever it's turned back on. And then when it's turned back on, you just click something, boom, there you go. Open it, and I always keep my batteries right there. So you see it shows you it's Bluetooth, and then of course it charges with a C cord, one of those C chargers. Right there. I've had mine for a while. It got me through a year of school, and a lot of other things. So if you are somebody who needs something that's on the go, it's really easy, it fits in my purse, it fits anywhere, I would most definitely recommend getting that product right there.